The chapter we're studying today is called Cellular Respiration. Today we will read 3 interesting passages. They are all about the energy formed from cellular respiration. Let's get started. Cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria. The primary job of the mitochondria is to produce energy that the cell can use. Each mitochondria has 2 membranes. Energy production takes place in the inner membrane. Here, there are a lot of folds to make room for energy production. Mitochondria in muscle cells have many more folds than mitochondria in skin cells do. This is because muscle cells need much more energy. Cellular respiration is a big part of metabolism. The breakdown of nutrients provides energy that the mitochondria capture in the form of ATP. Most of the energy captured comes from the breakdown of carbohydrates. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because this energy is used by the cell to do many different things. Cellular respiration is mainly performed by the mitochondria. Let's take a closer look. Cells that need more energy to function, like muscle cells, have many more mitochondria. And the more folds that are in a mitochondrion, the more energy can be made. Metabolism also includes the assembly of molecules like proteins and lipids. ATP is created in the mitochondria. It's the molecule that carries the energy from cellular respiration. It carries this energy in a bond. ATP is used to make chemical reactions happen in the cell. Once the bond is broken, it loses its energy. It can then be recycled and turned into ATP again. ATP is the energy molecule, and it can even make other molecules change shape. Let's take a closer look at a few words that we read in these passages. Membranes are a selective barrier. It allows some materials to go through the tissue while others not. And our mitochondria has an outer and inner membrane. So let's look at this for an example. Think of a coffee filter that you might use for coffee. It allows some materials go through it and some not. Let's take a look at what happens when I have coffee grinds and water. As you can see, as I slowly pour the water onto my coffee filter, the coffee grounds are not going through our filter, only our water. So that is an example of a membrane, our selective barriers. When something is broken, it goes into multiple pieces. And in our reading, the ATP bonds are broken and then goes off to recreate more ATPs. Broken. Folds. The more folds in a mitochondria, the more energy it can produce. So here are many folds, almost like a fan.